Volvo app not working. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. One of the main reasons your Volvo application is not working is because you have not updated your app. So let's go ahead and do that. Head over to your Play Store and search for Volvo app. If you see update instead of open, tap on to update and update your app. Once done, head over to your settings. Here scroll below onto apps and again search for Volvo. At this page, tap on to storage and clear the data if you have any. Also ensure to know your password first. Now come back to your home screen and check if your Volvo application is working or not. If you are still facing that problem, then long tap onto your Volvo app, tap on to uninstall and tap on OK. Reinstall this again and get logged into your Volvo app account, and that will definitely work. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.